Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Ezra Graphics and Multimedia. My name is VidIQ right here, and in today's video you are going to learn how to install VidIQ Google Chrome extension on your PC. Whether you are using Windows or you are using Mac, you just have to follow the step in this video and see how you can install VidIQ extension on Google Chrome. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can download and install VidIQ Google Chrome extension step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Google browser like this. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to the top right here and make sure you click on these three dots right here. And from there, you have to go to settings. Then from settings, you have to come down below right here. Make sure you click on extensions. Then the next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here. You see this main menu. Click on that. Then this is going to pump out. Then you come down below right here and make sure you click on Open Chrome Web Store. All right, so it takes you right here. What you need to do right here is to make use of search bar right here and type in VidIQ. So VidIQ Fashion, click on that. Then you're going to have something like this. So VidIQ extension is for every YouTuber. It's a free tool that allow you to have a relevant keywords and it allow you to generate titles, description and things like that. There are a lot of things you can do with VidIQ. For some people that doesn't know what VidIQ extension on Google Chrome is all about. Okay, so once you get to this point, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on VidIQ. Then it takes you right here. You can see the number of users. So this is about 2 million users that use this extension right here. So you can scroll down and read more review about this extension. Okay, so you can scroll down and see more information about the extension. It's just about 6.8 MB and it's always updated. So you can see this is a new fashion. Okay, so you can read most information about the these are the general overview about the VidIQ extension. It's very much good for every YouTuber. So the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. You have to click on Add to Chrome. Then right here, make sure you click on Add Extension. All right, so it's going to take you right here. So at this point here, you will be asked to sign up or you to create a free account, or you just come down below right here and log in to the VidIQ. So this allows you to have more information about your channel, description, title, etc. So there are a lot of things you can do with this particular extension right here. And if you come to the top right here on your browser, you will see the extension right here. It has been added, but it's not yet work until you log in or you connect to your channel. So if you're very new to VidIQ, it's how you to it's advisable you create a new account. So at the top here, you can enter your email address. The email should be Gmail account. Okay, then come to the next one right here and create your password. So you can make use of this icon right here to check the password. Then once you click on that, then you have to come here and make sure you click on create your account. So you are done. So this is how you can install VidIQ extension for Google Chrome without any stress. And you can also use this same procedure, the same particular step to install any extension on Google Chrome. I hope you really find this video useful. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also remember to subscribe to this channel for more tutorial about VidIQ and how you can have a successful YouTube channel as far as this channel is concerned. More video is coming up to you on this channel. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.